everybody to Bitty Bone Boutique. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the Marseille braid, which is much like the French braid, but our starting point is going to be a little bit lower. So first, let's take a look at the supplies you will need for doing this hairstyle. A hairbrush, some gel, I use spray gel, but you can use any kind of gel, and a hair tie. To begin, you are going to take your brush and brush your hair through to get all the tangles out. So once you've finished brushing the hair, you are going to take a section from the top of her head and start about at the end of each eyebrow and go all the way to the middle. If you need to smoothen the top out, you can take your brush and brush it through on the top. So once you've got your section, you're going to split it into 3 equal pieces and begin your braid. You're going to take your left piece and cross it over the middle, and then you're going to take your right piece and cross that over the middle. Now, you're going to take a piece from the left side of your head and add it into the left piece and cross that into the middle. Make sure it's all smoothed. Now you're going to take a piece from the right side, add that into the right side piece, and cross that into the middle. Now you're just going to repeat that until you get to the bottom. So now that you've reached towards the end, you're just going to take your last few pieces and cross it over. Take the other side and cross that over. So now that you've added in all of the pieces, you're just going to begin a basic braid. I like to add some gel at the bottom because some of the layers pop out. So now you're just going to do your braid. So once you've reached the bottom, you're going to take your hair tie and secure it. So there you have your Marseille braid. This is a great braid because you can put it on your shoulder or behind you. I decided to name this the Marseille braid because it's much like a normal French braid, but we started a little bit lower than normal. And since Marseille is at the southern tip of France, it made sense. Thanks for watching on Bitty Bone Boutique. Make sure to check out our Instagram for more pictures of our hairstyles.